Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Engineer's Review. In this video, we are going to review a gaming laptop which is a budget-oriented device that will provide you a immersive performance, power, portability with impressive specifications. HP has introduced their gaming laptop HP PAVILION Gaming 15 EC1051AX, which is specially built to fulfill your gaming as well as multitasking needs. This laptop has an attractive price range and good quality of hardware underneath the hood. And we are going to review all about this laptop in detail. So make sure you stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss anything. Let's get started. The sci-fi inspired design of HP PAVILION Gaming 15 makes this device look more attractive as compared to other typical gaming laptops in this price range. This laptop is made out of full hard plastic with all matte finish, which doesn't feel cheap at all. This device weighs around 1.98 kgs, which is quite light for a gaming laptop. You will notice there is one green colored HP logo behind the display and a PAVILION branding on the hinges. That looks amazing. On the back side, there is an air intake grill, but you will not get support panel which uses for upgradation of the RAM. You will have to open the bottom panel of this laptop for the upgradation. The green backlit keyboard, which is also available in purple variant, adds some excitement to your gaming and does not let you feel dim in the dark conditions. Key pressing is snappy and comfortable for regular usage, but while gaming, keys might be a bit too soft and there are no dedicated keys for secondary functions. The touchpad is not wide as expected, however, it has a satisfying click and responsive too. There are decent amount of ports available on this device that will fulfill all your connectivity needs. As for the speakers, a large honeycomb style speaker grill sits at the top of the deck. Thanks to Bang & Olufsen, which makes the speakers decently loud and pretty good in terms of audio quality as well. This gaming laptop has sharp visuals of 15.6 inches Full HD IPS anti-glare display which produces vivid colors and has wide viewing angles with high contrasts. One of the highlighting feature of this laptop is its 144Hz fast refresh rate, which will definitely give you a smooth, blur-free gaming experience. The ultra-thin 3-sided micro edge bezel enhances the entire look of the display. Furthermore, we are quite satisfied with the color accuracy, which came out to be 91% for sRGB and 61% for Adobe RGB, with brightness of 250 nits. Overall, for a budget gaming laptop, display is up to the mark. This laptop runs on 3GHz AMD Ryzen 5 4600H 4th generation hexa-core processor. The processor is based on the clock speed of 3 GHz and its max boost frequency is 4 GHz, which is trades blow with the 9th gen Intel Core i7-9750H processor. The AMD Ryzen 5 4600H should be able to handle most of your daily workloads, including comfortable gaming experience, programming, 3D rendering, video and photo editing, or any other CPU intensive tasks. This laptop comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti 4GB graphics card, more powerful than GeForce GTX 1650, that will give you a fast and smooth gaming experience without an issue. Basically, gaming performance depends on the used graphics memory, clock rate, processor, system settings, drivers, and operating systems. Hence, we have tested the FPS of some heavy games like GTA 5, Valorant, Tomb Raider, Battlefield 5 and many more. Overall, these games FPS came out to be 80 to 120 plus in mid to high settings and 60 to 90 FPS in ultra high settings. And if we talk about the performance, as in heavy softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, AutoCAD, Blender, Photoshop etc., it is able to give decent performance. This laptop includes 8GB DDR4 RAM with 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD of storage, with the features of upgradability options like slots for 1TB HDD plus 1TB SSD, and RAM is expandable up to 16GB. That rarely be seen in a budget gaming laptop. These features smoothens your overall experience by reducing the strain on your device and allows gamers to push their laptop limits to another level within a budget. Let's talk about the battery performance. This laptop has a 52.5 watt 3-cell battery with 150 watt AC adapter. You can get over 3 to 3.5 hours of battery backup out of this laptop in regular uses. By gaming laptop standards, that's pretty good and powerful deal. But during gaming, battery drains faster. If you play on higher settings, it will last up to 1 hour. Now talking about the heating performance, the separated dual fans that make up the HP Pavilion Gaming 15 new advanced thermal management do a decent job of preventing overheating, for the most part even without getting loud. After discussing almost everything about this laptop, let's summarize our review with some pros and cons. That will give you guys an idea whether you should buy this laptop or not. Pros: powerful hexa-core AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor. The laptop has fast booting because of NVMe SSD drive, better 144Hz refresh rate, massive storage upgradation options. Cons: no inbuilt software for controlling CPU and GPU performance manually. Trackpad is quite small as compared to other gaming laptops. So it's a great value for money laptop within a budget of 70,000 rupees. Available both on Amazon and Flipkart. We have given the links in the description box below. You can get it from there. At last, the HP Pavilion 15 EC1051AX is worth considering. It will fulfill all your desire of gaming all day long and also your other needs like watching video, content creation, programming, etc. Hence our channel rate this laptop 4 out of 5. So guys, that's all for today's review. Share your thoughts about this laptop down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Review and show your participation in the giveaway. Bye bye and take care.